Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, all daily reading the lesson. I have told you to make a habit of reading. So you can read any books, even if you can read science book also. So morning and evening you have to read regularly. Okay, children. Okay, now what class we going to see today? Today science. Right? We are going to see about science. So today's subject is science. What in science? What we have going to see? Already we have completed our 3 lessons. Right? We have completed 3 lessons. Today we are going to start our next lesson, new lesson, that is 4th lesson. We are going to start our 4th lesson. What is the name of the 4th lesson? Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Right? So what parts of a plant? What the heading? What the lesson name denotes? So we are going to see about in this lesson. We are going to see and learn about parts of the plants. Parts of the plants means what comes in your mind? What? First one, leaf, flower, fruit. Yes, this will be comes in your mind. This you can able to see. And what will be down on the sand? How this tree plant is standing straight? How it is standing? Because of the some what was down on the earth? Roots. So because of the roots, the plant is standing straight, right? So the plant will be having 2 parts then, above the ground and below the ground, right? So that means the plant was divided into above the ground and below the ground. So above the ground, what we can see? We'll see. I'll show you some pictures which and all we can see on the above the ground and what are things we can see on the below the ground.
Children, now we are going to see some parts of the plant. So what are the parts we know? Shall we see it? What is this part, children? What is the name of this part? Can you able to identify it? Think. What is it? Which part it is and where it will be? It is the part of, it is the name of the part is root. Shall we can see it? No, because it will be under the ground, below the ground. Roots will be below the ground. So this part name is root. What is this part name, children? Shall we can able to see this part in the plant? Yes. What is this name? Can you think it? Yes. What is the name? Yeah, it is leaf. It is the leaf. What is this name of the part, children? What is this name? Is everybody like it, right? This is one part of a plant. I am not asking about the name. That means name means you will tell this is a rose. But what it is? Which part? It is one of the part of the plant and we call it as flower. Rose flower. Right. So it is a flower. The part of this plant is flower. What is this name? It is mango. But which part of the plant? This fruit. We call it as, generally we call it as fruit. But everybody like this fruit, right? What is the name of this fruit? Mango. So all like it very much. So it is one of the part of a plant. So far we have saw root, leaf, flower, fruit. Yes, so in this, can you able to identify it? Which and all you can see and which you cannot see? Which one you cannot see? Roots. Because where it will be? It will be below the ground. The other parts are above the ground. So we can see it. So now we'll go to the lesson. In this lesson, we're going to see about parts of a plant. It will be of 2 types. Shall we go to it?
Yes, children. Now you have to see what are the things which we can see on the above the ground and which we can see in the below the ground. Yes. So likewise the plant is. So now we'll go to the lesson. So plants and their parts. We're going to see plants and their parts. What are the plants? How plants having parts? Even we human beings take plants and what are the parts? Plant having parts means what are the parts the plant will have? Human beings, if we take human beings as well, what are the parts of our body? We can tell the parts of our body: eyes, head, nose, mouth, ears, hands, legs, many we can say. Likewise, the plants also have different parts of the different parts. We can also name the parts of the plants. Now we'll see what are the plants. So the plants too have different parts such as roots. Roots, it will be below the ground. We cannot see it, but we cannot see it often. It will be below the ground. Then stem, leaves, and so on. That is flowers, fruits, vegetables, buds. Many are there. So each part has its own functions to perform. So in this, each like our human body. So see, if we take our human body, what eyes will do? Eyes is used to see. If we take ears, ears is to hear. Hand, we are moving and it is very useful to take one thing or do our work easily. So likewise, how the parts of our body is performing various functions. Like plants, parts of the plants also doing various functions. We'll discuss about it in this lesson, okay children? So now we'll see. So a plant is divided into two main parts. So a plant is divided into two main parts, that is above the ground and below the ground. I have told you. So below the ground, what we can see? Roots. Roots will be below the ground, and above the stem, leaf, flowers, fruits, many will be on the above the ground. So they are divided into two main parts, that is below the ground and above the ground. What they are telling? What are the two parts? The root system and shoot system. The root system and shoot system. Now we'll see the image on here. Now we'll see the plant, and in this, which are the parts will come as root system and what are the parts will come as shoot system.
Yes, children, now we have discussed that the plant part is divided into two systems. What are the two types of system? One is root system and shoot system. Here you can able to see the root system and shoot system. The part which will be below the ground, that is called root system, and the part which will be above the ground is called shoot system. So you can see what are the parts will cover in root system and what are the parts will cover in shoot system. So in root system, the roots will be covered. So in roots we can see the parts of the root as primary root, secondary root. And if we come to shoot system, it covers flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud, node. So node is the place from where the leaf will come, start to grow. That part is called node. So the shoot system covers flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud, node, then internode also was there. Then these are the parts the shoot system will cover. But the root system will covers primary root, secondary root. So this is about the classification of plant. It is mainly classified as two systems, that is the root system and shoot system. The root system covers primary root and secondary root. The shoot system covers flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud. So these are the parts that root system and shoot system covers. So from the picture, from the image, you can easily identify it. Now we'll discuss about root system.
So we have discussed. Now we all have seen what are the parts will comes under root system and what are the parts will comes under shoot system. So what is root system? Root system means it will be the under the ground, below the ground. So the part which is below the ground, that is root system. That includes root system. And what is shoot system? The parts of the plant which is above the ground. Above the ground is called shoot system. So it covers stem, leaves, flowers, vegetables, fruits. So the parts of the root system covers roots, and the shoot system covers what? Leaves, stem, flowers, fruits. So this covers the shoot system. Now we will discuss briefly about the root system and shoot system. First we will see about root system. What is root system? The root system will be above, under the ground, that is below the ground. Root system is the parts of the plant which is below the ground. That is called root system. So the root system grows under the soil. So the root system grows under the soil from the base of the stem. So from the base of the stem, it will be from the base of the stem. So the roots is the main, it is the main part of the plant, and it only makes the plant to stand straight upright and above the ground. So if the root is not strong, if the root didn't get set firmly in the soil, so the roots only gets firm, it griply, it very firmly it grips the soil and it helps the plant to stand straight. So, and it comes from the base of the stem, right? So the root system grows under the soil. The root system grows under the soil from the base of the stem. From the base of the stem. The root system grows under the soil from the base of the stem. From the base of the stem. So a number of roots arises from the main root. So a root means we cannot see a single root alone. It will not be in a single root. It will be many multiple of many. In root itself we can see many roots, many like branches, many things we can see. So a number of roots arises from the main root. A number of roots arises from the main root. The roots are mainly of two types. So the roots system, that is the roots was classified into two main categories, that is taproot system, that is taproot and fibrous root. So in root system it is divided into two types, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. So the plant is, the parts of the plant is divided into two systems, root system and shoot system. The root system will be under the ground, the shoot system will be above the ground, that is we can see. So the root system will be what the root system will do. The root system grows under the soil. It from the base of the stem. It grows from the base of the stem. A number of roots arises from the main root. So from the main root a number of roots arises. Then the roots are mainly of two types, that is taproot and fibrous root. That is taproot and fibrous root. Now we will see about it. What is taproot and what is fibrous root.
Now we are going to see about types of roots. So how many types we have? We have the roots is classified as two types, two categories, that is taproot and fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. Roots are classified into two categories, that is taproot and fibrous root. So it is the taproot system. This is the image of a taproot, how the taproot will be. So the taproot will be having a thick root, that is called primary root, and the subdivision from the primary root is called secondary root. And there you can see a small uh, structure from all the secondary roots, that is root hairs. It will be present all over the roots. Then the from the secondary root we get tertiary root, and the edge of the root we call it as root cap. So the taproot system will be having primary roots, that is the thickest part of the root, and from that the secondary root will come, and then tertiary roots, and the edge is called root cap, and the small roots are called as root hairs. This is about the taproot. So here now we can see the image of the fibrous root. So see how the fibrous root will be. Fibrous root system consists of many fine hair-like roots that form a thick mat below the ground surface. It will not go in depth in the soil. It will grow on the upper layer of the soil. So that's what they have told, the hair-like roots that form a thick mat below the ground surface. So the fibrous root consists of many fine hair-like roots that form a thick mat below the ground surface. This type of root system is called fibrous root system. The best example is grass plant. Now we will see about the difference between the taproot and fibrous root. How the taproot will be, the main root grows deep into the soil, but when we take in fibrous root, that it will not flow deep into the soil, it will be in the upper layer of the soil. So in taproot system there will be having many small roots arises from the main root, that is the main root is called primary root, and the small roots arises from the primary root is called secondary root, and root hairs will be all over the roots. So this is about taproot system. But fibrous root system will be like how it will be having many fine hair roots like that form a thick mat below the ground surface. So this is about the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Example of taproot is carrot, beetroot, radish, etc. And example of fibrous root is grass plant and coconut tree. These are examples of taproot and fibrous root, children.
Now we are going to see about the functions of the root system. So before we have discussed about root system, it is of two types, taproot and fibrous roots, and we have differentiated and we have discussed about it. And now we see what are the functions the root system will do. So the roots fix the plant firmly to the ground. So the root only fix the plant firmly to the ground. So the root helps the plant to stand straight on the above the ground. How it is stand straight? The plant, many tall trees are going straightly. How? With the help of the root. So the root fixes firmly in the ground so that the stem or the plant will grow very long and stand straight. Next, roots helps in absorbing water and minerals. Roots helps in absorbing water and minerals from the ground. So the root absorbs the water and minerals and nutrients from the soil and transfers to the stem and then other parts. So the roots helps in absorbing water and minerals from the ground. Next, roots help in preventing soil erosion. Soil erosion means what? The nutrients and minerals from the soil is get eroded. That means destroyed. The soil, the nutrients and minerals from the soil is get destroyed. So to avoid that, the plants will be preventing. So the plants is very helpful in preventing soil erosion. So roots help in preventing soil erosion by holding the soil particles tight So these are the functions of roots. So functions of roots are roots fix the plant firmly to the ground. Root helps in absorbing water and minerals from the ground. Roots help in preventing soil erosion by holding the solid particles tightly together. Some plants such as carrot, beetroot and radish store excess of food in the roots. So these are the examples the plant will store the excess of food in the roots. So carrot, beetroot and radish. So these are the functions of root. Yes children, now we came to the end of our session. So far we have started in this class our new lesson, fourth lesson, that is parts of a plant. In this initially we discussed about what are the parts of the plants, and the parts of the plant is divided into two types of system, root system and shoot system. The root system covers below the ground